Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the device has power and no buttons are being held by a case. This prevents accidental boot into safe mode. Once charged and backed up, press and hold power until the restart option appears. Choose Restart. If Restart isn't visible, power off, then press power and volume down together to force a normal boot. You do this because safe mode often persists after a soft error. A clean, manual reboot clears transient software glitches before deeper steps. Once done restarting, look for the safe mode label in the corner. If it's gone, you're done. If it remains, you need to isolate apps. Go to Settings, Apps, sort by install date, and uninstall the most recent or suspicious ones first. After each uninstall, reboot the phone to see if safe mode clears. This helps you identify the offending app. Make sure to test one at a time so you can pinpoint the cause rather than removing multiple apps at once. If removing apps doesn't work, clear the system cache from recovery. Power off, then hold power and volume up. Choose Wipe Cache Partition. This removes temporary files that can force safe mode. Once done, reboot and check. If safe mode persists, perform a factory reset from Settings System Reset. Back up first because this erases data. Finally, if the problem continues after a reset, contact Realme support or a service center. A hardware fault or corrupted firmware may require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.